All right, let's move away from that and put the spotlight on SuperOps.ai, which is an AI-powered IT management SaaS platform. They recently concluded a $12.4 million fundraise. Arvind Parthiban is the co-founder and CEO, now joining in. Arvind, good to have you on board. $12.5 million almost. Tell us a little bit about what this takes the total fundraise to and what it'll be utilized for.
So this is a Series B. So overall, we have raised around 29.4 million. This round, it's a 12.4 million raise, which was actually initiated internally by Addition Capital, and then we have a new investor participating, March Capital, and Matrix also participating in this round. So that's the overall raise.
So what exactly then will you be utilizing the funds for, Arvind?
So we are planning to use this for three purposes. One is to expand our GTM operations. We are opening an office in the US. We have hired a channel chief in US, Juan Fernandez, who's going to be the head of US operations and setting up our GTM operations there. Second is we are also planning to invest in R&D, especially in AI. Pretty much most of the startups are reimagining their products with AI, and we are opening an office in New Zealand where one of our advisors is joining full-time, setting up the AI team. And AI is going to be our biggest investment. And the third thing is we are also planning to expand our market by building one more product, which is the IT edition of network monitoring tool. So that will be our third investment.
All right, a little bit more clarity. You're a SaaS platform. You're using AI. A little bit more about what exactly the company does.
Yeah, so typically any enterprises will have a sysadmin team to manage their IT infrastructure. It can be a simple laptop or a desktop or your printer, router, and things like that. So any company will have their own internal sysadmin team managing that. What happens in most of the Western countries is this sysadmin team is outsourced. They are called managed service providers. So we provide tools, like we actually provide 5 different tools. It's a help desk tool, a monitoring tool, IT documentation project, all these jargons. So basically they use our tools to provide that IT services for the enterprises. That's what our tool is.
So you said that over the last 1 year, you've seen the customer numbers increase 300%. How exactly did that happen? What are your growth projections?
So this is a very age-old market that's been there for almost 35 years now. So we decided we are going to not just build one small feature or complementary product. We wanted to go big and build a platform. So basically we had we took our time, almost 2 years, to build a platform. It's a 5-in-1 platform. And initially it took time for us to hit product market fit. Time to get to product market fit was almost 9 months from the product launch. Once we got the product right, we were able to add almost 500 customers in the last 9 months, and we have been growing at a 350% growth, and we will end the year at almost 600% growth.
So you're looking to, with the proceeds of this investment, further increase investments and enhance your AI capabilities. Can you tell us a little bit more?
To be very honest, we are in an interesting time in the ecosystem right now. So AI, as we know it, is going to completely change every industry. There is no doubt about it. And every single feature or pain point we are addressing is going to be reimagined with AI. It's so powerful. And AI is not just ChatGPT. For all the listeners, AI is much more than that. So we are looking it into 3 different parts. One is AI, how it's going to help us to automate and make our life easier. Second is to provide insights, like how this AI can be used to bring in intelligent insights so that we'll be able to take right decisions. And the third thing is how we can predict things. So imagine in your company, if I can predict which laptop can actually crash or create problem way ahead of time, so that I'll be able to go and change it and avoid business critical impacts, right? So this is how the world is evolving, and every company out there should think about how AI can actually help and transform our business. So we are going to heavily invest in these 3 areas.
And how are you looking at really scaling up partnerships with vendors in areas like cybersecurity?
So our product is actually the core critical product, which will be the kind of the nucleus of all the IT sysadmins or MSPs there. So security is one of the key concerns for most of our vendors there, especially when they are sitting out of their enterprise and providing these kind of services. Security becomes priority. With the recent hacks which happened with our competitors and all, this has been one of the most important ask from our vendors. So we integrate with pretty much everybody in the market. We have done close to around 40 plus integration, close-knit integrations, and we are also investing heavily on security. Our product is all compliant and certified in the security aspects.
Good to have you on board. Thanks so much for joining in. A startup that's really looking at exposure to build your brand's presence, we've got good news for you. The Times Network has launched an initiative called Brand Surge, which empowers startups to achieve scale and to surge ahead with innovative advertising solutions. Take a look.
Startups. Reach 25 crore people well within your budget. Advertise on 10 TV channels in one shot. No TVC required. Brand startup pack starting from just 1 lakh rupees. Brand Surge, the special marketing starter pack for startup brands. For more details, visit our website brandsurge.co.in or write to us at brandsurge@timesgroup.com. Times Network, now or nothing.